Now some guy, oh, yeah, this is the rib guy. But now he's frying up the meat. And, yeah. So anyway, I tried some of that chicken. It's not bad. Pardon my messy kitchen and my lack of lighting because I only have one single little naked bulb overhead. So this isn't too bad. Oh, that's all skin. I thought it was meat. A whole chicken. I turned it on its back and with the knife, you always hold your blade and I cut the front part of the chicken. You always hold your blade with your thumb and your finger. You can have your handle there, or a handle in your palm if you wish. Generally, I don't like a long handle. And maybe take off a third of the blade here and just as thin and more razor sharp on both sides. But anyway, then that's how you cut. But so I don't have the those big red potatoes that they want, and or all the Goldens. I'm just stuck with the store brand or whatever we were given at the Feeding South Dakota events, and then whatever my mom gave to me that I could eat in my house to supplement my EBT stuff. I poured, oh yeah, I forgot to get salt and pepper at my mom's house because I used all of mine. Salt and pepper shakers, the butt rub. Well, I didn't use the butt rub, but I used the sea salt and pepper grind mix, and I used some type of seasoned salt, some onion salt or something, and then, like I said, from behind me up there, some more seasonings. You can see the little thyme flakes, the parsley flakes, and that's what imparts the licorice, black candy scent. I suppose I could have also seasoned my potatoes. You quarter the potatoes, slice them from one end to the other, and then opposite ways, 90 degrees, sliced from one end to the other, and then put them around. Yeah, salt and pepper, generous amounts. That's what gives that hard flaky-ish crust. The underside is the front part of the chicken. On this, I didn't even add water to it. Normally I would. Boy, there's like an inch of water inside, so that comes from the chicken. Well, now I'm going to take this whole thing apart, stick it in smaller. See, I saved some. I saved many of these pie tins and stuff. But I also save a couple of these rotisserie bins. top and bottom. And yeah, I may bake the other one here, or else I'll just fry that up.